We'll guide you through how to factory reset an ASUS laptop or PC without the password. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you find yourself in the position of where you can't remember the password, you've gone and forgotten it. And now you're thinking, how am I going to be able to go and access this computer again, this PC or laptop? So we're going to guide you through how you can go and factory reset it without it. Make this full guide step by step so you know what you need to do in order to go about this and go and get access again. Because it can be really worrying if you're thinking, how can I go and use it? Now, the one thing that is the bad thing about this is you are going to be losing all of your files as a part of this process. All the files, folders, apps, settings changed, all of this is going to go and be lost unless you go and have some of it backed up or synced potentially, but otherwise it is going to go and be lost. So do go and consider this, but it's the sort of the trade-off for this method. But if you want to go ahead, make sure you watch this full guide step by step and don't skip anything so you know exactly what you need to do. So to go about this, we're going to go and put the computer into recovery mode. So what we can do here is I'll go and press the space bar, or we can go and click and we can go and open this up here. Now, what you want to do is come down to the bottom right and you're going to go and find the power button here and you want to go and click on it. You'll see this list of options and now go and start holding down the left shift on your keyboard and you want to go and press restart while holding shift and it'll go and say, please wait. Now you can go and release and it's going to go and turn back on very shortly. So it shouldn't take much longer and it'll go and start booting again. Here we are. So we can now go and choose an option and you need to go and find the option for troubleshoot just here and you need to go and click on it. And what we can then do is choose reset this PC. So it lets you choose whether to keep or remove your personal files and then reinstalls Windows, which is what you want to do. So you can go and keep files or go and remove everything. So in this case, we're going to be removing everything to go and do the reset. Now go and wait. Now here we're getting prompted about Windows, but you may go and get asked about something for the recovery key. So the recovery key is essentially where the drive is encrypted and protected with BitLocker. So this goes and stops it from being reset without your consent. So you need to go and get this key. It's going to go and give you a link on the screen and you can go and head to that link on another device and sign into your account and you can get the key. Alternatively, you can just go ahead to your Microsoft account, go to your devices and get the recovery key that way. So get the key and you'll need to go and enter it in. It's quite long. And after you've done that, we can then continue. So choose here to go and reinstall it. You can do a cloud download, which will go and reinstall Windows that way, or a local reinstall. I prefer to do it local, it saves downloading it again. So go and wait just while it goes and gets things ready. Shouldn't go and take too long. And now we can go and choose how you want to go and remove files. So I'm going to do all drives and you can then choose whether you just want to go and remove files or clean the drive fully. We'll just go and do a full clean as well. Go and wait and shortly here we can go and confirm everything. Shouldn't take much longer. And here we are. So you can go and see resetting will remove all personal files and accounts from the device, remove any changes made to the settings, remove all apps and programs that come with the PC and then reinstall Windows from the device. If you're sure, you can go and press reset and it's going to be permanent and that's it. Leave a like if you found this useful.